It's not normal to get rashes, to get bloated after you eat, to get hives, itching, swelling, flushing, abdominal pain, constipation, diarrhea, low blood pressure, heart racing. None of those are normal. And those all go with histamine intolerance. Those are symptoms of histamine intolerance. Now, there's a multiple number of ways that things can get sideways in regard to your histamine. And this particular one is called histamine intolerance. And this is where you have a decrease in the ability to degrade it. It's called histamine diamine oxidase. And that is a gene SNP or mutation. And if it gets dirty because of chronic inflammation, your genes get dirty, then they don't work well. And so when we see that happen, we're going to see it comes from gut issues and or low copper or both, right? And so when we see that, there's another thing that can happen. You can have an imbalance in if you've had a microbiome panel. There's a bacteria called putrescine, sounds as bad as it is. When that goes up, or mold or yeast goes up, you're going to have this high histamine production, which can swamp your ability to clear it. And we call that histamine intolerance. And that's never normal. So if you or someone that you know has that, just know that you don't have to take steroids. You don't have to take biologicals. You don't have to suppress your immune system. You need to clean it up, clean it out, and get it working properly. Then you actually can clear this. And one of the telltale signs is if you eat histamine containing foods, it pushes you over the edge and you have a little bit of a flare, right? And so just realize some of these are pretty standard, but bone broth, wine, tuna and mackerel, pork, chicken, spinach, and then there's a bunch of foods that release or liberate histamine in your body: grapes, bananas, citrus, strawberries, pineapples, tomato, nuts, peanuts, alcohol, green tea, and chocolate. So if you know that you eat those things and they bother you, chances are you've got a histamine intolerance. It doesn't mean it's about the SNP or the mutation in your genome. It means that it's about the inflammation that's happening in the body that makes that machinery just not work ideally. Okay, hope that helps. I'll go more into it in another video.